Everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn photo to anime character in Canva. So as you can see, we have some samples. So the first step, open up your Canva and from here, and then we're going to the upload section, and then we're going to upload the images. Now, as you can see, we have the 4 images here, but I can use one. So for example, I'm going to select this photo and then I'm going to put right over here and then click on the 3 dots and select duplicate. And as you can see, I have 2 photos. The one is I'm going to animate this one. So go to apps at the bottom left right here and then go to search box and type here Animify and then click on this up and then select this option here and then click on the open button right here at the bottom. So once you click on open, you just need to wait for a few seconds here. Click Animify and replace. So animifying your image, and once done, here is the result. So there you have it. We have just created an anime character from this photo. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.